I recently took a DNA test. The results were surprising. I had always thought my heritage was purely African and European, but the test revealed something unexpected. I learned that I have a strong Indian heritage. This was a revelation that changed my perspective on my identity and my family's history. This discovery sparked a newfound curiosity about Indian cuisine. I began to wonder about the flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques that my ancestors might have used. I wanted to explore the flavors and traditions of my ancestors. I started visiting local Indian markets and trying out different recipes at home. My journey led me to the world of curry. I was fascinated by the rich, aromatic spices and the variety of dishes that could be made with them. As I delved deeper, I discovered a fascinating connection between Indian and Jamaican curries. I learned that the two cuisines share many similarities, yet each has its own unique twist. It turns out that Jamaica too has a rich history with this aromatic dish. The vibrant street food culture in Jamaica showcases a variety of curry dishes that are both familiar and new to me. The story of Jamaican curry is intertwined with the arrival of Indian indentured laborers in the 19th century. These laborers brought with them their culinary traditions, which have since become an integral part of Jamaican cuisine. These laborers brought their culinary traditions, including their love for curry. Today, both Indian and Jamaican curries are celebrated for their rich flavors and cultural significance, connecting people across continents and generations. Jamaican and Indian curries share some common ingredients. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, is a staple in both cuisines. It adds a warm, earthy flavor and a beautiful golden hue. Coriander, with its citrusy notes, is another shared ingredient. It brings a refreshing element to the curry. And then there's cumin with its warm, nutty aroma. It adds depth and complexity to the dish. These shared ingredients are a testament to the interconnectedness of cultures through food. It's fascinating to see how flavors traveled across continents and evolved into unique culinary traditions. While Jamaican curries share a common thread with their Indian counterparts, they also boast a distinct identity. The vibrant streets of Jamaica are filled with the tantalizing aroma of spices that tell a story of cultural fusion and culinary innovation. Each spice used in Jamaican curry has its own tale, contributing to a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. What sets them apart is the use of unique spices that are characteristic of Jamaican cuisine. These spices are not just ingredients, they are the essence of the island's rich history and diverse influences. From the bustling markets to the quiet kitchens, the spices of Jamaica are revered and celebrated. Fenugreek, with its slightly bitter and sweet flavor, adds a distinct aroma. This spice, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in balancing the flavors of the curry, providing a subtle undertone that enhances the overall taste. Its presence is a nod to the Indian roots of the dish, yet it seamlessly blends into the Jamaican culinary landscape. Allspice, true to its name, brings a warm blend of flavors reminiscent of cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. This versatile spice is a staple in Jamaican cooking, adding depth and warmth to the curry. Its unique flavor profile is what gives Jamaican curry its signature taste, making it stand out from other curries around the world. Pimento berries, also known as allspice berries, contribute a warm, peppery flavor. These berries are harvested with care and are a testament to the island's agricultural heritage. The peppery kick they provide is essential in creating the bold and robust flavor that Jamaican curry is known for. And then there's star anise with its licorice-like aroma, adding a subtle sweetness to the mix. This star-shaped spice is not only visually striking but also adds a layer of complexity to the curry. Its sweet and slightly spicy notes complement the other spices, creating a harmonious blend that is both intriguing and satisfying. These spices create a flavor profile that is uniquely Jamaican, a beautiful fusion of Indian inspiration and Caribbean flair. The result is a dish that is rich, aromatic, and full of life, much like the island itself. Jamaican curry is more than just a meal, it's an experience, a journey through the vibrant culture and history of Jamaica, one delicious bite at a time. One of the things that surprised me about Jamaican curry is the absence of tomatoes in the base. Unlike many Indian curries that often incorporate tomatoes for a tangy base, Jamaican curries typically skip this ingredient. This makes Jamaican curry a great option for people who have tomato allergies or sensitivities. The absence of tomatoes allows the other flavors to shine through, creating a curry that is both flavorful and unique. Section 5. Lentils, a taste of home. Lentils form the heart of this Jamaican curry recipe. They are not just an ingredient but a symbol of comfort and tradition. In many cultures, lentils are a staple, providing nourishment and warmth to families across generations. They add a hearty, earthy flavor and a satisfying texture. The way they absorb the spices and meld with other ingredients is truly magical. Each bite is a reminder of home-cooked meals and family gatherings. I have fond memories of eating lentils as a child. The aroma of lentil stew simmering on the stove would fill the house, creating an atmosphere of warmth and love. It was a dish that brought everyone together. My family often enjoyed lentil stews and soups, so this ingredient holds a special place in my heart. Each family member had their own favorite lentil dish, and we would often share stories and laughter over these meals. This recipe uses brown lentils, which hold their shape well during cooking. They are perfect for curries as they maintain their texture, adding a delightful bite to the dish. You can substitute them with green or red lentils if you prefer. Each type of lentil brings its own unique flavor and texture to the dish, allowing you to customize the curry to your liking. However, keep in mind that red lentils tend to break down more easily and may not thicken the curry as effectively. They create a creamier texture which can be wonderful in its own right, but different from the hearty consistency of brown lentils. Section 6. The art of toasting spices. Toasting spices is a crucial step in making a flavorful curry. It helps release their aromatic oils, intensifying their flavors. When toasting spices, it's important to keep a close eye on them. Spices can burn easily, especially in dark cookware. The key is to toast them over medium heat, stirring constantly until they become fragrant and slightly darker in color. This step might seem small, but it makes a world of difference in the final flavor of your curry. Section 7. The heat of the Caribbean sun. No Jamaican curry is complete without a touch of heat. The Scotch bonnet pepper, a fiery little chili, is the go-to choice. It adds a powerful punch of heat and a hint of sweetness. If you can't find Scotch bonnet peppers, habanero peppers, or cayenne pepper can be used as substitutes. However, for the most authentic flavor, I highly recommend seeking out Scotch bonnets. Their unique heat and fruity undertones are truly special. Remember to handle them with care as they pack a serious punch. Section 8. Creamy delights. Coconut milk adds a luscious creaminess and a touch of sweetness to Jamaican curry. It balances out the heat from the Scotch bonnet pepper and brings all the flavors together. If you're looking for dairy-free alternatives, you can use plant-based yogurt, blended silken tofu, or soy or oat milk. Keep in mind that soy or oat milk might require a longer cooking time to achieve the desired creaminess. Experiment with different alternatives and find what you enjoy best. Section 9. A taste of West Africa. To add another layer of flavor and texture, this recipe incorporates peanuts, a staple in West African cuisine. Ground nuts, as they are often called, bring a nutty aroma and a creamy texture to the curry. They are a testament to the diverse cultural influences that have shaped Jamaican cuisine. The addition of peanuts is a delicious reminder of the interconnectedness of food traditions across continents. Full recipe will be on my website, thrivelifemarket.com. I encourage you to give it a try and explore the fascinating world of Jamaican curry.